I'm a political scientist who studies minority groups, focusing on the political representation and the political participation of minority groups. In particular, I study LGBTQ politics. My name is Gabriele Magni. I'm an assistant professor of political science at Loyola Marymount University, and I'm also the director of the LGBTQ Politics Research Initiative. I focus on LGBTQ politics because in recent years we have seen, on the one hand, increasing support for LGBTQ rights and increasing political representation. And then on the other hand, we have also seen growing polarization and renewed attacks against LGBTQ people, LGBTQ rights, and trans rights. This year at Russell Sage, I'm working on a book on LGBTQ candidates in the United States. I focus on LGBTQ candidates who ran for office between 2018 and 2022 at any level of government. And the book explores the motivation behind the decision to run, the challenges that they face during the campaign, and the impact that they can have on laws and policies once they are in office. In the books, I argue that LGBTQ candidates face peculiar challenges, face discrimination and persisting negative bias. But then at the same time, I also show that they are often able to turn this discrimination into political strength, which allows them to overcome some of the penalties that they face. Some of the penalties that I present in the book are related to prejudice. Prejudice against sexual and gender minorities remains rooted in society, and this complicates the path toward the election for LGBTQ candidates. I use a variety of data to explore these questions. I conducted the largest survey to date of LGBTQ plus candidates running for office in partnership with the LGBTQ Victory Institute, which is the largest nonprofit organization in the country dedicated to the election of LGBTQ individuals to office. And we were able to survey about 500 LGBTQ plus candidates, which is roughly 1 in 5 of all LGBTQ candidates who ran for office in the US between 2018 and 2022. My research helped us understand the challenges and in particular the unique challenges that LGBTQ plus candidates face when they're running for office. Understanding these challenges is key to increase LGBTQ plus representation and diversity in office. I feel very lucky that I've had the opportunity to be here at Russell Sage this early in my career. I'm very grateful for various reasons. Russell Sage has given me the time, the space, and the resources to focus on my research. Writing a book is a long-term endeavor, and so it's very important to have a full year where I can focus on my research.